Hello everyone, this is Vandana and you are watching me on Super Study Tip. आप सब लोग fruits खाते हैं? Do you eat fruit? Do you know the name of the fruit? In this video, I will be telling you the name of the many fruits. ढेर सारे fruits के नाम मैं आपको बताऊंगी. Today, I will make small fruit garden for you. And how I'll make? इसके लिए आपको वीडियो पूरा देखना पड़ेगा. And at the end of the video, you will see beautiful fruit garden. Let's start with mango. It's a mango. I'm going to put mango over here. Orange. Papaya. Grapes. Banana. Pomegranate. Pineapple. Watermelon. Muskmelon. It's pure. Apple. Apricot. Coconut. Yes, coconut is also fruit. Peach. Custard apple. Cherry. Blackberry. Raspberry. Kiwi. Mulberry. Lychee. Chiku. It's grapefruit. Now, as you can see, your fruit garden is ready. As you all can see, I have prepared this a small fruit garden. और मैंने ढेर सारे फ्रूट्स को इस गार्डन के अंदर प्लांट कर दिया है. तो एक बार फिर से हम देख लेते हैं कि मैंने कौन कौन से फ्रूट्स को इस गार्डन में प्लांट किया है. It's a pomegranate, lychee, papaya, mango, grapes, orange, banana, watermelon, custard apple, pineapple, blackberry, strawberry, chiku, mulberry, kiwi, apple, plum, cherry, apricot, coconut, pure, muskmelon, raspberry and grapefruit. I hope you like this beautiful fruit garden, and if yes, then please do subscribe to my channel Super Study Tips.